Union Bank recruitment for specialist officer. This is the recruitment notification, and there are some posts which doesn't require any experience. Post code number 09. Freshers are allowed to apply for this post, assistant manager, technical officer, grade 1. There are 26 vacancies, and pay scale is around 36,000 to 63,840. So this is the pay scale. After joining, you will get this much. And the rest of the posts, which is a senior manager, manager in different streams, civil architect, electrical, and manager in printing technology, forex, manager in chartered account. These require some of the experience criteria. So we'll be discussing everything whatever is specified in this notification. So this is the classification of vacancies for different categorical posts. So senior manager, which overall 60 vacancies, the categorical vacancies, and for different manager posts in different streams, that is civil risk management, that is architect, electrical engineer, printing technology, forex. So these are the number of vacancies, and this requires a prior experience. And assistant manager, which I was talking about, technical officer. So the number of vacancies are 26 vacancies. This doesn't require any experience. So the classification of different categories vacancies are this way. So the starting date of application start date is around August 12, 2021, and the end date of application is 3rd of September 2021. This is the starting and last date of application, online application. The eligibility criteria: you must be citizen of India, and for a post that is senior manager, the age criteria is around minimum age 30 years and 40 years maximum age, and they should have a full-time MBA with some experience. For manager, minimum age is 25 years and maximum age is 35 years, and the essential qualification is certification in financial risk management or professional risk management certification, or CA, a full-time MBA with a 2 years specialization and some experience required. Desirable certification, examination risk in financial services. And for different vacancies, there is civil engineering. There should be a bachelor degree in civil engineering, and minimum experience required is 3 years to apply for the post of manager civil engineer, and the same is the criteria of architect. 3 years prior experience is required, and for the manager electrical engineer, the 5 years minimum experience is required to apply for this post. And for manager printing technology, 3 years experience is required with the bachelor degree in printing technology. And for manager forex, there are 50 vacancies, and they should have 3 years full-time experience with a full-time MBA is the educational qualification required. For vacancies of manager CA, there is 2 years experience is required. For assistant manager, we are focusing on this post. The educational qualification is just a degree in engineering in either civil, electrical, mechanical, production, metallurgy, or electronics and telecommunication, or computer science, information technology, textile or chemical, etc., or a B Pharm from any university with 60% marks in aggregate. So the minimum age criteria is 20 years and maximum age is just 30 years. So this post doesn't require any experience, so all the freshers who are bachelor degree holders can apply for this post. For vacancies of assistant manager forex, the age criteria is maximum age is 30 years and minimum age 20 years. Education qualification is graduate in any discipline from recognized university and full-time MBA, and also there should be certificate course in forex conducted by IFB along with the qualification required. So regarding age relaxation, there is 5 years age relaxation for SC/ST and back OBC on creamy layer. There is 3 years experience, and there will be a probation period of 2 years after the selection criteria. So the structure of examination for different posts is this way. The structure of examination will be online written examination, will be conducted in different centers across India. So there are 4 sections, that is reasoning, quantitative aptitude, professional knowledge relevant to the post, and English language. So for reasoning, there are 50 multiple questions, that is MCQ. 25 marks will be awarded, and for quantitative aptitude 50 questions, 50 marks. And professional knowledge, that is whichever the bachelor degree you are opting for, that is called professional knowledge. 50 questions and 100 marks. And English language will be of 50 questions, 25 marks. Put together total 200 multiple questions and 200 marks. The time duration is just 120 minutes, just that is 2 hours. 2 hours, so you need to solve 200 questions, and this is the structure of examination. So except the English language, the questions will be bilingual, that is both in English and the fees criteria for different general and EWS categories 850, general EWS and OBC 850, and for CST there is no fees, and PWD also there is no fees. This is regarding the number of vacancies of different posts